Guys, the reason why I cut off last time is because my brother called me. But anyways, this video is going to be called Patricio Reviews His Own Food. That doesn't make sense. A little bit. Okay. It's okay, I mean, not the best. I need a sec. 1 second. Scout! He was biting a box. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's horrible. Hey, you can't blame me about it. You can't say, oh, Patricio doesn't like his food. He doesn't know how to cook. I do. Ish. It's just that it's microwave food. It's microwave food. What do you guys expect? Expect it to be good? I surely don't. That makes me want to puke. That was disgusting. That was properly, you can properly call that disgusting. What else do we have in the fridge? I don't know. I might make a video later on. But guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. And if you do subscribe, hit the bell notification button so you guys don't miss on any updates on videos as cool as this one, maybe better. So as always, guys, have a very good day. Adios, mis amigos!